Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified by Facebook for free. You'll get the blue badge after your name on Facebook, okay? Let's get started. Click on the Facebook application, then just refresh it. Now click on your profile picture, then click on your name, then click on the three dots here, then click on this place for Meta Verified, okay? Now click on your profile. Here, this is my profile. See the blue badge here? It will be verified after this process. Okay, let's click on try it free. Now click on next. Then click on the profile that you want to verify, this one here. Then you see the charge here, click continue. Then click continue once again. Then add your credit card. This will not deduct anything from your credit card within those 14 days.